Hi everyone, before we start this video, we'd like to remind you all that this road trip happened with the help of hand sanitizer, disinfectant, masks, and social distancing. And on that note, let's get right to it. We're in Utah and driving on the Salt Flats. The Bonneville Salt Flats are a densely packed salt pan in northwestern Utah. The area is a remnant of the Pleistocene Lake Bonneville and is the largest of many salt flats located west of the Great Salt Lake. The property is public land managed by the Bureau of Land Management, and it's known for land speed records at the Bonneville Speedway. The Salt Flats are also a filming location for major motion pictures such as Independence Day Resurgence, Pirates of the Caribbean at World's End, and TV shows such as The Amazing Race. We found that the best way to see the Salt Flats was when we were traveling on I-80 eastbound and we took the Wendover Exit. From there, just follow the signs for the Salt Flats and you will see the whitest, most pristine thing you've probably ever seen in your life. It looks like the white sands of Hawaii. During our day, we enjoyed flying our drone, taking photos, and letting our dog run around after 7 hours in the car. It was very hot the day we were there, so please remember, bring sunscreen and bring water. Be ready to get a car wash after because your car will most likely be covered in salt.